Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your Ps5 is online and updated. That avoids blocked features. Once done, sign into your PlayStation Network account and attach a USB keyboard or use the DualSense for navigation. Next, press the PS button to open the control center, then head to Settings quickly. This primes the console to reveal hidden browsing routes. Make sure the console is awake and not in rest mode. Otherwise, menus may not show expected options or links. Now you move into the middle steps where the built-in browser appears via another app. For example, open Messages, then locate or send a message that contains a URL. Messaging yourself works fine. Once you select the URL, Ps5 opens a web view overlay. This is the browser. Use the keyboard or the on-screen controls to type addresses because there's no dedicated browser app icon. Remember, this method works because Sony exposes a web view for links in. Finish by learning how to use the browser overlay and what to do if it fails. You can scroll, enter URLs, and press options for actions like zoom. Bookmarks aren't native, so copy the URL into a message or note for return visits. If a link won't load, reboot the Ps5 and verify your network connection and NAT type. These affect access. Finally, make sure parental controls or system updates aren't blocking web content. Adjust settings if necessary and try again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.